everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am so excited to be with Amara of David Weekley Homes. And guess what, guys? She has a special quick move-in that she is excited to share with you today. So thank you for having us.
Oh, we're thrilled to have you. We've got a special one for you today. This is our Dewdrop plan, just shy of 2,900 square feet. It's one of only 2 that have been built in Seabrook Village at Nocatee.
2. So everyone, did you hear that? There are only 2 Dewdrop floor plans. So you really have a one-of-a-kind home in the Seabrook Village community.
This beautiful home boasts 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and as you can see, this gorgeous study or flex space area that's large. If you work from home or the kids need their own dedicated area.
Absolutely beautiful. Now look at this kitchen as we start to approach it. When I saw it for the first time, I said, Amara, this now is one of my favorite David Weekley floor plans here in Seabrook Village.
This truly is a designer kitchen, and you'll see what I mean in just a moment. The beautiful cabinetry, the upgraded double oven appliances,
Absolutely.
and the gorgeous quartz countertops. And as we round the corner here, you have a stunning butler's pantry.
Okay, guys, I mean, are you seeing this on camera? This is an entertaining house. You are going to be the one throwing all the parties. And guess what? When you have all the dirty dishes, just throw them back here in the butler's pantry.
That's right, you have a place for all of your appliances, even for your day-to-day, and lots of food storage as well.
And Carling's getting another view of the kitchen because, again, look at this oversized island, beautiful farm sink. And you even have, when we first walked in on the far right side in the camera view, another area. You could put your coffee maker over there. There's so much you can do in this beautiful kitchen.
And you have a gas cooktop as well. We are a natural gas community.
Your design team knocked it out of the park on this one. Very beautiful. And lots of natural light you're continuing to see come in. But Amara's got something really special because guess what, guys? This floor plan has something very unique that not everybody has.
Yes, I do want to pause here. This is a rear entry home, but you have this gorgeous mudroom area that leads to a 3-car garage.
Okay, guys, it's a real 3-car garage. Everyone right now is super jealous watching this video.
Yes, it's 3-car wide. You have the 2 bays, so you have plenty of room for extra vehicles, golf carts, storage.
But look out here. Look out here. You can park giant cars. Giant. You can put 3 Suburbans here, folks. This is not a little driveway at all.
Yes,
I'm sorry, I had to go out there because when Amara first said it's a 3-car, I went, yeah, sure it is. And she goes, no, it really, really is. This is incredible.
Yeah. And if you pan upwards here, Carling, you'll see that you have additional storage space. We upgraded about 120 square feet worth of decking there with pull-down stairs to be accessible for storage.
Love that.
As if you didn't have enough already in this garage.
You have so much. But room for a golf cart. You can park, of course, 2 cars inside the garage if you're going to park your golf cart in here. Plenty of room for bicycles. If you are handy and have a great tool area, plenty of room. So to me, this house, my husband would buy it solely just for that.
And as you can see here, we're in the living room area, which is nice because it's still open, but it's separate from the dining.
It is.
So you truly have a dedicated space for your furniture and to lounge and watch TV.
And you have a lot of incentives, I think, going on too.
We do. I'm glad you mentioned that, Heather. We have several quick move-in homes available right now with extra special incentives. So if you need to be in your home before the school starts, we've got some homes for you.
And look outside, you've got this great, it's almost extended it seems like, but the covered hard roof. You can be out here if it's raining, a rainstorm, you could be in this corner, rain's not gonna get you. You do not have to screen it in.
Yes, this extended lanai is conducive to entertaining, it's open, it's light and bright, but you still have that element of privacy with the wall space here.
I do love that. And you can also put in a fence here in Seabrook Village. correct me if I'm wrong, you're doing the wrought iron
That's
fences.
correct.
So you can also grow beautiful plants to create even more privacy. There's so much you can do, but I love that you still have that grass space because we are a very dog-friendly community here in Nocatee with over 12 dog parks. And so if you do have a dog, you've got the green space that you can let them out quickly. And as we're getting close to going up the stairs, look at that natural light coming in those beautiful windows.
Yeah, this is a true David Weekley life design feature to have these big, beautiful windows with all the natural lighting coming in. It just brightens up not only your staircase, but the whole entry of the home.
And then I like the wood stairs, I just love the open railings. Very beautiful. And I like that everything is light, white, airy in here. And also if you want to come in here and start painting, guess what, guys? Plenty of walls to do it with.
And I'd also like to point out that on the first level of this home, you have a powder bath here for your guests.
Thank you, David Weekley, for putting that in. So we do have a half bath on the first floor. So your guests never have to go upstairs unless you want them to, of course. And Carlene's getting another beautiful view of downstairs. And I want to remind people, Seabrook Village is one of the final neighborhoods selling new construction here in Nocatee. And in Seabrook Village, you're going to find Seabrook Park. I really hope you'll go to Nocatee.com and you can search Walkthrough Wednesday videos. And we did a video with Mo, and it is a great area. It has a beautiful pool, over 7,000 square foot pool. It has sun shelves, a great playground, and now the largest dry dog park in Nocatee. So that is steps away from this quick move-in that you need to buy today here in Seabrook Village.
And as you can see, we came up to the oversized landing area and we're about to head into the spacious owner's retreat. But before we do, all bedrooms are upstairs on this plan. So for added convenience, we have the laundry up here. And we spared no expense for decking out this laundry space with a countertop and cabinetry.
And we passed more storage coming up, so plenty of storage up here as you approach the laundry room. And then look at this oversized room. Again, great natural light coming in.
You can't help but say wow when you enter this owner's retreat. It's located in the front corner of the home, so it's nice and private, but you have these beautiful windows here that are open to the front that bring in so much natural light. And I'd also like to point out that you have a view of the treetops as well. So it's just very serene and peaceful in this space.
Very beautiful tray ceiling, recessed lights, plenty of lighting in here. Oh, and I noticed you have a thermostat in here.
We do. Our thermostat systems are triple zoned for our two-story homes. So what that means is you can have varying levels of temperature for your owner's retreat, your first level, and your second level.
Very nice feature. And then Carling is showing the beautiful shower. You've got the rain shower in the middle, the normal, I'll call it, is it a heavier shower on the wall?
You've got the niche for added storage and the double vanity here. And drawers, Heather.
Lots of
Take a look at
drawers.
those drawers. Plenty of space for all your bathroom goodies.
That's a big bathroom.
It is. It's nice and wide. It's easy to move around in, and it flows really nicely into the closet space, which Carling is showing you right now. And you have double hung racks here for plenty of storage.
I love that. And I want to remind those that say, okay, Seabrook Village, where are you exactly? When you go to Nocatee.com and click on the neighborhood tab and you find Seabrook Village, you click on that, you can actually see a site map of this community. And so you'll be able to find, for example, this quick move-in, which is also found on the quick move-in page. And David Weekley Homes does a great job, by the way. If you're going to stop in the Nocatee Welcome Center to get a driving map, they have brought us tons of quick move-in sheets showing you this floor plan and all that they have to offer. But again, this is right now my favorite. Beautiful, oversized, again, landing area. And then Carling, you can't forget, we've got rooms in the back. Where are you going? There's more. Carling's about to finish, guys.
So as we continue down the hall here, you'll see that you have a dedicated bathroom that's accessible from any of these 3 bedrooms and also the hallway. This house does have 3.5 baths.
So this is a bathroom. If you have 3, let's say, kids, one of them gets their own bathroom, and then the other, okay guys, Jack and Jill.
This is a Jack and Jill setup, perfect for siblings. And you've got that right off of these rooms here. And I love that we did something a little bit more special in this one. We added a privacy wall in. So your sink area and vanity area is separate from the toilet and shower.
That's a really nice feature, because if you do have 2 kids and one wants to have that privacy in the shower, for example, I like that the sink area is outside. I like that there's a door separating it.
It so easily makes this bathroom that much more functional. And again, it leads you to this 3rd bedroom here.
And I want to remind people, Nocatee, guys, is almost sold out. You heard it. Nocatee is almost sold out of new construction homes. So if you want to live in a David Weekley home, new construction, when I say this really is one of the final opportunities, it genuinely is, because they have announced their 50th and final community. It is currently selling, and we're thrilled that David Weekley Homes has been a part of the Nocatee family since the very beginning, so it will be bittersweet when it's all gone.
Definitely bittersweet, but we still have some options available, so we're excited to show those to you. Thank you for having us.
All right, guys. Amara, David Weekley Homes, you better call her today, because this is going to go quick. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.